So I got a friend who just got promoted and he's quite close to his 40s. Now, out of curiosity, I asked him, "Do you do any investing at all?" And he said, "No, I don't." I asked him again, "Why?" And he said, "It's too much hassle to find information about what products to buy, the timing, and also the potential return." Now, it is only natural when you knew nothing about investing, you read some articles, you do the analysis, and you make decisions which product to buy. But there are loads and loads of articles. By the time you make your decision, you go on trading 212, the prices have already gone up. That's really frustrating, isn't it? Luckily, I have created an AI workflow that can do the analysis for you based on loads and loads of articles and send the report to you at 8 a.m. in the morning and 6 o'clock in the evening every single day. Now, keep in mind that this is not a financial advice and my AI is not a financial advisor, so do it on your own risk. If you're interested, let me show you how. Check this out. So these are the emails from the AI. As you can see that we got consistent timing, as we said earlier in the video. The timings are at 6 o'clock in the evening, 8 o'clock in the morning, and so on and so forth. It approximately takes 3 to 4 minutes for the AI to generate the report based on approximately around 30 to 40 articles from 3 different themes. So the first one is the investing, stock markets, and commodities, right? Now, don't mind these because these are for the purpose of making a video and just general testing. Now, let's have a look at the reports. So we got a couple of sections here, right? So the first one is the overview and the sector level insights, the company level signals, and then the last thing is the uncertain signals. And my apologies, the last thing is the actionable summary. Now, I can't guarantee the accuracy of this AI, and for me, this is nothing but a decision support system where it helps me to expose to certain products or sectors I haven't thought about in my investing journey. So if you're interested, do it on your own risk, and I'm not responsible for any losses and failures that you make because of my AI. Now we got that out of the way. If you're still interested, I can show you the step by step. Let's go. Okay, let's start with the most important components of this AI system. The first thing that we need to do is we need to call the RSS Read, and let's click it, and we got the URL. So because we're talking about the investing, and the source of information that I'm interested is investing.com, so let's go to investing.com, and we got a couple of links in here from the analysis and opinion. So because, you know, as I said earlier, I'm interested in 3 articles. The first one is investing, the second one is the stock market analysis and opinion, and the last one is the commodities. If you're interested in bonds, you can also add some more, right? But those are the 3 themes that I'm really interested in. So let's start with this one. Okay, now let's go ahead and copy this. Let's go back to this, and then on the URL, let's paste this. So if you execute the step, so we will get everything in the JSON format. Now, so this is nothing basically, right? We want the system to automatically read the articles, and then after that synthesize the article. So the next step that we need to do is we need to call loop. Okay, now the reason why is because we got 10 items, right? So we need to do it one by one. So I'm gonna delete this, and the second one is gonna be HTTP. Okay, and then it's gonna be get. But before that, I'm gonna play this so that I can just drag and drop. There we go. So we go ahead and copy the URL or the link, and then I'm gonna execute the step. And as you can see, we got the whole page in the JSON format. But it's quite a lot of noise here. We can actually just dump this to the AI, but the problem here is we got lots of characters from HTML that can, you know, kind of upload the token. So we gotta have to do a little bit of a filter so that we can just get the main article. Now, I don't want to explain too much because I also generated this with AI. So I'm just gonna copy and then paste the code. Okay, I'm gonna connect this. So if we have a look at this a little bit, so we got this, a code in JavaScript that can eliminate the HTML text. And let's execute, and we got ourselves the article right in JSON file, so which is really good. Okay, now and then the last thing is we need to add the AI. Okay, and then I'm just gonna change this to the font below, and I'm gonna put the data in here, and okay, give a little bit of explanation. But before that, let me just add the model. So the model is gonna be OpenAI. Yeah, there you go. So the model itself is gonna be 4.1 mini, which is I mean, because it's really cheap and also lightweight as well. So yeah, that's good. Okay, so let's give a little bit of instruction to the system. All right, before we go to the main workflow, as we can see that it's finished. So I'm just gonna click this and show you the output. And as you can see, we've got like 10 items from the AI. And the next thing we need to do, we need to combine this with others. Then we will consolidate that into one variable. Then let the AI summarize everything. Now, this is the whole workflow. And I think I forgot to explain about this schedule trigger. So if we click this, these are the inputs. I choose custom, and the expression is this one, where the 8 and 18 means 8 o'clock in the morning and 6 o'clock in the evening. Okay, and once it's triggered, then it will call 3 similar workflows, where the first one is going to be the investing analysis, and the second one is going to scrape the articles from the RSS about the stock market opinion and analysis, and then the third one is the commodities. And so approximately we got around 30 articles. We combine them everything, and then it becomes like a one big variable consisting of the whole combination of articles from 3 different themes. And then this AI, if I click this, then it's gonna synthesize, summarize, and we specifically tell the AI not to provide financial advice and not to make up some stuff, but just do the analysis, tell them as it is from the articles, and change everything into the HTML format, then send the output to the email using this email tool. And the subject is going to be the investment market summary, and this is the date, and the format is HTML, and the message is going to be the output, and 2 definitely the email addresses. So we got 2 in here where the report is going to be sent to. Okay, that's it. I hope you find this video useful, and until then, see you later.